Endocrine glands in human beings. Hi students, in this video we will try to identify various endocrine glands and learn their functions in our body. The functions of all endocrine glands are not mentioned in the textbook. So, we are learning only the hormones discussed in the syllabus. Let us start. This is pituitary gland. It secretes many hormones that control the other glands. One of such important hormone is growth hormone. It helps in growth of our body. People with less growth hormone are very short and become dwarfs. People with excess growth hormone are very tall and becomes giants. The deficiency of this hormone in childhood leads to dwarfism. This is thyroid gland. It produces a hormone called thyroxine. This hormone regulates carbohydrates, fats, and protein metabolism in our body. Iodine is essential to produce this hormone in our body. That is the reason why iodized salt is recommended in our diet. Iodine deficiency leads to a disease called goiter. This is pancreas. It produces a hormone called insulin. Insulin helps in regulating blood sugar levels. Lack of this hormone causes a disease called diabetes. People suffering from diabetes take insulin as injections. These are testes. They are a part of male reproductive system. They produce a hormone called testosterone. Testosterone helps in attaining sexual maturity in boys. These are ovaries. They are a part of female reproductive system. They produce a hormone called estrogen in females. Estrogen helps in attaining sexual maturity in girls. Let us see the other parts of human endocrine system. These are adrenal glands. This is thymus. These are parathyroid glands. This is hypothalamus. This is pineal gland. These are the various parts of human endocrine system and their significance. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to GRADEBOOSTER channel. Press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Check the description to find links of other useful videos. Check the end screens for our new videos.